We're at McDonald's and we're gonna turn the new chicken Big Mac into sushi. Wow. What's the theme song for McDonald's?
Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it.
Today, McDonald's released their limited time chicken Big Mac. And we're gonna be turning this into sushi. And guess what? McDonald's told me to tag them after I turn this chicken Big Mac into sushi. So make sure you follow along, subscribe, and like and share this with your friends. If you enjoy this content, comment below on what kind of fast food you want me to turn into sushi next. Alright, we're gonna be deconstructing this chicken Big Mac. It's pretty big. And all this lettuce here. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, we have the top of the bun. We have one chicken here. Then we got some pickles. Take all these out. Okay, and then we have another bun. So what makes a Big Mac? 3 buns? Or is Big Mac a Big Mac? Or can this chicken Big Mac become the next Big Mac? Okay, this is the chicken right here. And this is the bun here. Alright, so here we have some cheese, and then the pickles, and then the lettuce, and then we have 2 chicken patties, and then we have the 3 buns. So we're going to turn this bun into kind of like the nori, the seaweed. So we're going to cut these up into smaller strips and then fill it in and then roll it. So in order to flatten these out, I think I'm going to get a glass bottle and wrap it up with the saran wrap. So I have this plastic wrap here. I'm gonna wrap this up. We're gonna make it into like a rolling pin, basically. We'll get the top bun here and then we'll flatten this out. So it's easier to roll. Nice and flat. Let's get this other half here and flatten this out. And get the third one here and flatten this out as well. Kind of slippery because all the sauce and the cheese is still stuck on this one. It's okay as long as the bun is flat. We're good. So if you checked out my other video, I already made turning Big Mac into sushi. That was like my first video on turning fast food into sushi. Since we have the plastic wrap on here, we're just gonna peel this off. And the bottle is like new. Okay, so we have the 3 buns that we planned out. It's gonna use this as our kind of like our seaweed. We're gonna be making 3 different kinds of chicken Big Mac sushi. So one is gonna be rolled up with the ingredients from the chicken Big Mac, and the other one is gonna be rolled with rice, seaweed on the outside, and another one's gonna be with rice, seaweed on the inside. We're gonna cut these chicken. So we have 2. I'm just gonna lay down the sauce, covering each side up because it's gonna get messy. We're gonna cut it into small strips like so. Okay. Back on here. Now we got our bamboo mat. I'm gonna lay down the buns. Okay, like so. We'll overlap them. The lettuce and cheese and pickles in here first. We'll put our chicken in. Okay, so now we have it. So we have the 3 buns, which we flattened out with kind of a makeshift rolling pin. And then we cut up our chicken into strips so it's easier to put in and roll. And now we're gonna start rolling this. So if you roll it, you're trying to tuck everything in. And if you look, it seems like everything is tucked in. And you finish rolling it up like this. Just give it a tight squeeze so it keeps its form. And there, you have a chicken Big Mac sushi. So we're gonna cut this up and we're gonna plate it. We're gonna get some plastic wrap, put it over top. This, give it a squeeze here. We're gonna cut this probably into 8 pieces. And give it one more nice squeeze here. And then let's see how this looks. Looks pretty good, right? So we're gonna put it back in this container. See how we should plate this. This is our first chicken Big Mac sushi. Looks pretty good, right? So these are the ones that I just used the ingredients for. So you guys can probably make this at home whenever you want to, because you don't need any ingredients, extra ingredients that is. Okay. Okay, and the second two rolls we're gonna be making is gonna be with sushi rice. So I have a hack here, which I can make sushi rice in under 2 minutes with the sushi rice vinegar that you can quickly make. So this one, you microwave for 90 seconds. So just pull this open. And here's the sushi rice vinegar that I made before. These ones we're gonna make into French fries, so let's cut these the same length like this. Maybe we'll do 2. So I'm gonna cut these French fries into small pieces, and we're gonna roll the sushi roll into it so that it's gonna be a crispy French fry chicken Big Mac roll. This should be good. Okay, so we're gonna deconstruct this one here. Take the bun out, get the chicken here. Take this bun out. Put this chicken together like this. Okay, I'm gonna spread all this sauce on here. Let's get more sauce on here. Yeah, we're gonna cut these up into strips too. Okay, so we're gonna make 2 different rolls. So one of the rolls, we're just gonna put seaweed on the outside. So we're gonna roll it like this. And then put some up here so it sticks. Okay, and then we're gonna get the chicken. Place it inside. Okay, let's get some French fries. Place it inside like that. Okay, now we're gonna roll it. Okay, and then we'll get our bamboo mat and give it this form. Cut this into 4 pieces. Let's look inside. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna put these back in here. How should I plate this one? French fry sushi. McDonald's French fry sushi. So, okay, this one is gonna look like this. For our last one, we're gonna have seaweed on rice on the outside. This. Spread it out. And then we're gonna get chicken, put it inside, roll it. We're gonna get our French fry bits, put it on top like this. You know, doesn't that look so good? Yeah, put it on top. And this one we'll put it back in the box as well. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you the inside. So it looks. Okay, this one is like this. Okay, and we got some extra Big Mac sauce. We're just gonna put it inside this Ziploc bag so we can squeeze it out easily. Like this. Squeeze out the sauce. So. Just put it all the way to the corner because we're going to squeeze it out. Close the Ziploc bag. Just cut a little slit here. Let's do one for the barbecue sauce as well. Alright, we finally turned Chicken Big Mac into 3 different sushi rolls. So box number 1. This chicken sushi roll is made of the original ingredients from the Chicken Big Mac. We took the bun and rolled up the chicken and made it into a roll. Okay, box number 2. Made a seaweed on the outside. Chicken Big Mac roll with a little mini French fry sushi. Box number 3. We made a chicken Big Mac roll with rice on the outside covered with crispy French fries. We got some Big Mac sauce on some makeshift piping bag. And then we have the barbecue sauce in a piping bag. Now we're gonna top it up with some gold. For the golden arches. It's snowing gold. Snowing gold. Let's go. I present to you 3 Chicken Big Mac Sushi Rolls. Which box you want me to open first? Comment below.
2.
Box number 2.
Ooh, look at that, guys.
24 karat gold Flakes Big Mac Chicken Big Mac Sushi Roll. Made entirely out of the Chicken Big Mac ingredients. Okay, next box. 1 or 3?
3.
Box number 3. It looks like a French fry sushi roll. So it's basically a Chicken Big Mac inside a sushi roll with rice on the outside, topped up with crispy French fries covered in gold flakes.
1.
Number 1. Futomaki. Chicken Big Mac futomaki with French fry sushi covered in barbecue sauce. Wrapped in seaweed on the outside. Alright, so Ethan here is gonna be our taste tester for the limited time Chicken Big Mac Sushi Roll. This is number 1, number 2, and number 3. Which one do you think you would eat? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? They all have gold flakes. This one has French fries on it. This one has no rice. And this one has a little mini French fry sushi. All right, let's get right into it.
Okay. I'll try this one.
Let's see inside. Okay.
So what's in here?
It's basically the chicken Big Mac ingredients. Has pickles, lettuce, Big Mac sauce.
Okay, I'll take a bite. It tastes like a chicken Big Mac.
Awesome.
I'll give it a 8 out of 10.
Not bad. Okay, which one are you gonna try next?
I'll try this one first, or next. Which piece should I grab?
Any piece you want.
I'll grab this piece.
Whole flakes. I see some cheese and some chicken and pickles and onions. Okay.
Should I just do it in one bite, or how should I do this?
All in one bite. All in one bite.
I don't know how I should do it. I'll give that a 3 out of 10.
Oh, you didn't like it?
No.
Okay. Next one.
Since the texture is weird, I would give it a give that one a 2 out of 10.
Which one did you like the most?
This one.
Awesome. All right. So
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and comment if you want to use your suggestion next.